Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team. How are you doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I want to go over 5 simple items to look at, to conquer, to get a bigger boost for your home sale. If you're thinking about selling today, a year from now, 10 years from now, you want to know these 5. Some homes have more, some have less, some knock it out of the park, some don't. These will affect the market value. Remember, there's 3 values to a home. Tax value, which you always want low because that's what you pay your property tax on. 2 is appraised value. That is a third party that represents the bank. I know buyers pay for it, but truly is protecting the mortgage company to say, hey, yeah, if you lend this money, it's worth it. And 3 is the market value. You could have a home appraised for $100,000, but the market says it's worth $50,000. You're not going to beat the market ever. It's what the market thinks. We need the market to be close to the appraised value because we need the home to appraise. Unless you have cash, then you don't have to worry about it. Here's the 5 items. 5 items. This is not hard. And if you eat the elephant, you eat it one bite at a time. And I want you to do the same thing with this. Number 1 is fresh paint. Pick a room, clean it up, do these items in that room, close the door, move on to the next. The sooner you start this process, the less stress you're going to have. So fresh paint. That's inside and outside, including sheds, garages. If you painted your deck, stained your deck, all of it. We're talking everything. So pick a room at a time, knock it out. Don't get too crazy with the paint. Number 2, deep clean. And I mean deep clean. Baseboards. You want to pull the refrigerator, pull the stove out, look behind stuff. You want a deep, deep, deep scrub. Deep, deep, deep scrub. That's bathrooms. That's getting the irons, everything. A deep, deep, deep clean sells. I don't know what the value is, but I promise you, I've never had somebody say to me, never, I think I just made up a word there, but never say, I'm not buying this house, it's too clean. I've never. 3, lighting and the lighting fixtures. Lighting fixtures. So on the front of the house, on your front door, side door, inside the house, everywhere. Just look at them, update them. I can't tell you how many times we go to sell a house and the fixtures are original. They're already fake material anyway. Then when they sit there for 20 years, they fall apart. 20, 30, 40 bucks. You can get some. They're easy to install. They're simple to install. Give me a call if you need help with that. But update all fixtures is really going to help you. Number 4, curb appeal. Remember that dead bush that died last year? Get rid of it. It's not coming back. It's just not. It's not coming back. Remember the bags of mulch you had 2 years ago? They're still sitting in the flower bed. I've been known to do that, so I accept. Get it mulch spread. Prune the bushes. Trim the trees. Get it away from the house. We want your curb appeal to be popping. We're not talking spend a whole lot of money. We're not asking for that. If you need to put some stepping stones in, put a sidewalk in, clean the front of the house, power wash, we want to make sure it looks and pops. Not only for photos, but for the appearance when somebody walks up. Number 5, I want you to declutter each and every room. And I want you to start one room at a time. You eat the elephant one bite at a time. So declutter one room at a time. And then when you go into that room, think about what you're going to take to the next house or what you don't need. Listen, if you don't use it, lose it. If you're going to take it with you, keep it. But if you're not, donate it, give it away, sell it, or take it to the dump. Take each room. Also, when you look in a closet, be serious. Look at the someday clothes. You know, some days I'm going to lose that weight. No, you're not. Stop. By the time you lose it, could be outdated anyway. Get rid of it. We want to thin out. People never look under beds, but they do look in closets. So I hope those 5 make sense. If you want a better deep down dive from us, let us know. Our team will come out and take a look at it at no cost to you. But we promise you to bring you more value when you go to sell your house because these simple 5, yes, there's more, but these simple 5 are easy to do starting now. If you need help with it, call us because we want you to experience the Benton benefits. God bless you. Have a good one.